Ladies and gentlemen, this is Mampolo from Mampolo's Corner. Renee, your myself. Guys, this one weak me. You weak me. Our able, amiable INEC ICT Director. Aye. Oh, this is a fall. This is a fall of hand. You know if you read the result when them upload. You know if you read them. The whole ICT Director of INEC. You know if you read result when we are using one hand upload. You know read them. How you take announce the result to them? How you take declare Tinubu as president? Which result you see when from the basis of you declaring Tinubu as president? They don't fit that court. That they ask them that the court and the judges they ask them how so which result you read one on a read this one when you blur one on a cover with another image under it now on a read now on a test court Tinubu as our president everybody they look more like Mumu. Everybody there for court they look like Nama. Yes, answer question. I said we go drag on one. Now Peter Obi una still in mandate to. Not be another person no. Not be the other one on the thief. Una the thief atik we go live una. Una go thief the other one we go live una. No. Peter Obi if you thief in mark day he go hold you for blockers. You go to drag him, he go still hold the blockers. You go to drag him, he go hold the blockers. Are you normal? Are you normal? They go follow you. Now, it's not when you upload for IRF that they tell you, say, give us the scores, the numbers of Peter Obi, the number of Tinubu and number of Atiku, and the number of Atiku. Your INEC ICT Director say, you know, see him, you know the number, you know, agree and read. Result when they give you koro, una go blam, una blam. Thinking say na business as usual this time. Not be business as usual. You see this case, all of us go follow to the end. But mark my words now. No fight, not a fight. No violence now. No. This case, even when the justice say they collect something or whatever, they not collect anything. Even any judge wants say you won't collect something, you not go agree you bend because you go they present the evidence give you. You better not make anybody not collect anything. No, treat this case objectively and genuinely. Let's see the end. Now we know who they right and who win the election and who no win the election. I don't want to talk too much. Before I continue talking, let's watch as INEC ICT Director they fall their hand. Fall INEC hand. All right, now watch video.
INEC ICT Director testified and provided evidence on that. There was something more for INEC to say again.
So just to clarify, are
yes.
you saying that what was uploaded on the IRF is different from what was on the of EC8A?
Of course, no. The form EC8A was meant to be what is on the IRF. But we have forms EC8As, we have IRF copies certified by INEC, which are completely blurred,
Jesus.
Unreadable, contains strange pictures, images. Indeed, the ICT Director was given a copy or copies of these blurred forms EC8As, presumably, and was asked to tell the court how many scores that were written on those copies.
Jesus.
Which were in the court. You would have seen his difficulty because nothing was written on those documents. So one wonders, on what basis did INEC collect the result? On what basis did you announce a result when you have results of the election given by you that are not clear, they're not readable, that are indeed blurred images, blurred pictures? What are you declaring? What are you collecting?
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Jesus. Now you not finish for here. This lawyer when this lawyer finish asking question, asking the what do they call her? INEC ICT Director one thing when they call him. When they finish and with question, you know see how he want to answer them. now come bring Kenneth Okonkwo. Kenneth Okonkwo, the best thing when you do for yourself is to leave this Nollywood thing when you did art before. Come become a lawyer. Now here you did fulfilled. Now me they tell you now. Now you know you are calling. Now Kenneth Okonkwo come finish INEC, finish the ICT Director and whatever on they call yourself. I don't want to talk too much now. Make una watch Kenneth Okonkwo.
Proceeding so far and then going forward, what do we think it should be done to get things right? That's general opinion, sir.
Okay. Today, INEC eventually opened their case. And today again, they closed their case.
Jesus.
Meaning they don't have much to say about what happened. In 176,000 polling units,
Yes.
no result was uploaded in real time
Jesus.
on election day.
Jesus.
That is the whole summary of it today. And the INEC ICT Deputy Director admitted that he could not read some of the results uploaded on IREF because they were blurred.
Jesus.
And he told the court so. And that was after he had admitted that the result on EC8A must be identical with the result uploaded on IREF.
Jesus.
By his own words. So we saw in court the identicality of blood results from INEC. So that was what our team was saying. We now wonder how they were able to declare results with blood results that were unreadable. So far, we ended our case as you knew it 1 week before now under extreme difficulties because we had to fight and labor to even get the documents that we are entitled to by INEC.
Yes.
It is unfortunate that we had to subpoena INEC to get documents. If you read the Electoral Act, there will be no place that you will see the word subpoena. What you will see is that once you apply to INEC as a public institution, they are bound to give you documents. The mere fact that we are subpoenaing tells you that we were placed in a difficult situation.
There's something they are hiding.
But we trust in God.
Yes.
So far the proceeding is moving on. And by tomorrow, the second and third respondents will open their case. And let's see how it will proceed.
So what's the implication?
Well, when they try to use nomenclature to confuse people, it is obvious. The summary of the whole thing, whether you say performance test, vulnerability test, whatever you want to say, was that there was a problem.
That was a problem.
And there ought not to have been a problem for an institution that took 400 billion naira to organize an election, which they tested before the election, and they confirmed everything was sound. How can you talk about technical glitch when the House of Rep, there was no technical glitch, the Senate, there was no technical glitch, and somehow you're saying that in the presidency there was technical glitch?
Important one.
Let me ask you a question. Does a machine have the capacity to choose the election
to
glitch on?
To discriminate.
It's only a human being that can take that decision.
Machine doesn't discriminate.
Thank you.
Machine doesn't discriminate.
Let's work hard.
SDP. Blood results.
On Tuesday, the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, closed its defense after calling its only witness against the 3 witnesses the Commission had earlier scheduled to testify in opposition to the petition filed by Peter Obi and the Labour Party, LP, at the Presidential Election Petition Court, PEPC. INEC's lawyer, Abubakar Mahmood, a senior advocate of Nigeria, SAN, announced the closure of the first respondent's case after its witness, Lawrence Bayode, a deputy director in the Information and Communication Technology ICT Department of the Commission, finished testifying. Before calling on Mr. Bayode to testify in Mr. Obi's case on Tuesday, the INEC lawyer tendered some documents which were admitted and marked as exhibits. Led in evidence by Mr. Mahmood, the witness told the court that he worked for INEC for 24 years. Under cross-examination by Patrick Ikweto, an SAN and counsel for the petitioners, the witness told the court that the software application was tested for the election
You mean
on the 4th of February.
You mean
He added that there was a report on the testing, but he was not with it in court. The petitioners tendered the e-transmission civil web and compliance form through the witness. The court admitted and marked the document as exhibits.
Good.
The witness told the court that a pre-production test was conducted before the election.
Why do you?
He was asked if the hard copy of the results would differ from the ones in the IREF portal,
What do you talk?
an online portal designed to receive and display photographic photos of polling units' results in real time. He said no.
He said no.
He, however, added that anything could happen when sending the results from EC8A polling unit result sheet to the IREV. Again, he admitted that performance, functionality and vulnerability tests were conducted before the election.
It's all right.
The witness agreed with Mr. Ekwato that the report of the e-transmission application identifies remediation to be undertaken to resolve the high vulnerability identified in the report. The witness said he does not know INEC's web address where its materials are published.
ICT Director. You don't know the web address.
While also cross-examining the witness, Wale Olanipekun and SAN, counsel for President Tinubu and Vice President Kashim Shettima, asked if the foundation and authenticity of any election by INEC are rooted in forms EC8A and EC8E. The witness said yes. The witness added that blood documents downloaded from INEC IREV would not affect the physical result in form EC8A because the image is irrelevant.
It's all right.
He said the election ends with the recording, snapping and sending of results to INEC's IREV.
Ndiala.
Answering questions from APC, Council Latif Fagbemi, also an SAN, the witness said the physical results are used for computing the election's final results. He said the glitches that occurred on election day did not affect the collation of the results. He added that if what was downloaded from the IREV was not clear, the physical results could be obtained.
Why you not go clear?
He told the court further that ECOWAS monitored the election, but he does not have their report. The witness stated that a cloud trial log account of INEC can be obtained from Amazon Web Services, AWS.
When I go blow. Why you not go clear?
After the testimony of the sole witness, INEC's lawyer, Mr. Mahmood, told the court that INEC's defense in the Obi and Labour Party petition is closed. Mr. Olanipekun later told the court that Messrs. Tinubu and Shettima, listed as second and third respondents in the petition, will open their defense Wednesday. The five-member panel, headed by Haruna Samani, adjourned until Wednesday for them to open their defense.
I'll give you more reports. More updates is coming very soon.
Mr. Obi and his Labour Party, LP, are petitioners in the petition marked CA/PEPC/03/2023, challenging the election which brought President Bola Tinubu to office. Respondents are the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, President Bola Tinubu, Vice President Kashim Shettima, the All Progressives Congress, APC.
Don't worry. Stay tuned on Man Polo's Corner. More updates are coming very soon. Machine doesn't discriminate. No. Human being do this discrimination. Are you not my... When they use us, they play. They play. They play with the look on here. I tell you now, when the fire begin to burn on, we go there here. We go use it they do video because the fire must burn. We they do with the reality here. We deal with the reality. If the fire don't the boy with the television here as it happen. A whole ICT, Information Communication Technology Director of INEC. You don't know what thing. You don't know what thing that upload. You don't follow your tester to Koye. Make una dey defend nonsense. We dey watch una. we dey watch una. Make una dey play. You say you be ICT Director for a whole INEC. What you now upload, you cannot tell us. It's all right. Our judges say una don't write and down. Say you don't know what you upload. Una go tell us what una take give presidency to Nigeria. Una go tell us very soon. Peter Obi don't tell una say, you see this case, he go there till the end. Nothing will happen. We dey wait for the verdict. We go dey follow am gradually. Guys, make una no rush. Update go dey come steadily from Mampolo's Corner. Guys, if you love what you're doing, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, even on TikTok. All of Mampolo's Corner. Love, guys. Peace out.